All right, guys, as y'all can see, I got a package right here. Tpob sent your boy a package, so I did open it. I wanted to see what it was, but I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this for y'all and show y'all what came in the box. So without further ado, let's jump into this video. All right, before we get further into this video, if you do want to purchase any of these tools you see in this video or anything from the Pissed Off Barber, you can go to Tpob USA or the pissedoffbarber.com and use my discount code TANK on that website. But with that being said, let's get into looking at what he sent your boy. Now, like I said, I opened it yesterday and I saw some of the things he sent me, right? So I'm not going to unbox everything, but I am going to unbox one thing on camera for y'all. But check it out. He sent your boy the Play trimmer. Check that out. He also sent your boy the Tpob Play clipper, which I already had one of these white ones, but I get it. He's sending me the whole set, right? So we got that as well. And then he also sent me the new white colored shaver, the Tpob Play shaver. I have the black one, now I got the white one, but check that out right there. And then this last thing right here, this is what I'm a little more excited about. The Tpob Pro Play Power Pod, as y'all can see, is basically a big charging station for the clipper, trimmer, and the shaver. So if y'all remember a while back, I did an unboxing video of the black Tpob set. I had the black clipper, the black trimmer, and the black shaver, and I was talking about it'd be tight if he sent me the charging dock. Well, he ended up sending me a white charging dock, the power pod, if you will, and then he sent me the white tools, obviously, to go with it, right? So we got the white tools, as y'all can see here, and then we also got the Tpob Pro Play Power Pod, as y'all can see. Check that out once again. But let's go ahead and get into opening up this package, man. Or I'm sorry, this package. Let's go ahead and open this thing up. Once again, guys, if you do want to purchase this, you can go to the pissedoffbarber.com. Use my discount code TANK on that website. Whether you're in the USA or the UK, discount code TANK on tpobusa.com or the pissedoffbarber.com. But check it out once again. The charging dock, the power pod. Let's go ahead and open this thing up. All right, we got the lid off. And this is how the charging dock comes. As you can see, it comes with the charging base, as you can see. And then we have the 3 slots on top. So we got a slot for the clipper, the trimmer, and the charger as well. Or I'm sorry, the shaver. So we got a spot for the clipper, trimmer, and shaver, as y'all can see. And then on the back, we have 2 inserts for the charging dock, or I'm sorry, for the charger. So you can either charge it on this side or this side, whatever side, whatever side works better for you on your station. And then at the bottom, we do have some rubberized little things on here just so it's non-slip, right? So that's the charging base, as y'all can see, or the power pod, whatever you want to call it. And then we also get just a regular charger for it. So this is the part that you plug into the wall, and this is the part you plug into the charger dock, or I'm sorry, the charging dock. So check it out. So you could either plug it into this side if you want it, or this side. Basically, whatever side you need to plug it into to where it sits well on your station. Now, I do have some Tpob tools on my station. So what I'm gonna do is, they're the black ones though, but nonetheless, I think that kind of look dope though, black and white. So we're gonna put these black tools on there to see, so y'all can see how this thing would look. I think that looks pretty dope. But check it out, here is the Tpob charging dock for the Play clipper, trimmer, and shaver, as y'all can see. That's how the tools sit on here. Check that out. I'll plug this in here in a minute to show y'all the tools charging. But yeah, man, I just wanted to show y'all that. You know what I'm saying? Like, I've showed y'all the unboxings of the trimmers, the clippers, and the shaver before. I've already unboxed those. And I will leave links in the description and on the top of the screen for y'all, so y'all can click on those and watch them if you haven't. But like I said, I really wanted to show y'all this because I haven't you know, showed y'all this before. This is my first time getting this, so I was excited to get it in the mail, and I'm excited to show y'all. So, you know, y'all can make your own decision if it's something y'all want to purchase or not. I have seen my boy Jay Blends. He did a video on it. I didn't watch the video just yet, but I seen he did a video on it. So I didn't know I had one coming in the mail. But shout out to Tpob, man. I greatly appreciate it. But that's the charging dock, man. The Tpob Power Pod. I think that's what it's called. The Power Pod charging dock, whatever you want to call it, but that's how it looks, man. But yeah, man, that's basically all this video is me showing y'all that. Once again, not a super long video. I just wanted to show y'all, you know, what came in the package and what Tpob has coming out. But with that being said, man, that's basically it for this video. If you like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. Remember, guys, if you want to purchase this product or any product from Tpob, once again, that website is tpobusa.com or thepissedoffbarber.com, and you can use my discount code TANK on those websites. But with that being said, man, that's basically it for this video. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.